Okay, let's get started. We have negative 2 times the square root of x minus 1 plus 1 equals negative 9. Where do we get started? Well, we always want to see the radical on its own in either side of the either side of the equation, because that's going to make things a lot easier. And how can we do that? How can we isolate it? Well, I'm just going to get started by subtracting 1 from both sides of the equation. So 1 minus 1 is 0. They cancel out. Negative 9 minus 1 is negative 10. And on the other side, we still have negative 2 times the square root of x minus 1. Okay. What now? Well, we still want to get rid of the radical. So I will divide both sides by negative 2. Negative 2's cancel out. So we have the square root of x minus 1 is equal to negative 10 divided by negative 2. Negative, negative, they make a positive. And 10 divided by 2 is just 5. Great. Now what? Now I can finally get rid of the square root. But how? Well, I can just square both sides of the equation. Of course, I always need to square both sides of the equation, not just one. So the square root of something squared, they just cancel out. So I end up with x minus 1 equals 5 squared, which is 25. Then, of course, we want to isolate x, so I can add a 1 to both sides of the equation, and we're done with it. X equals 25 plus 1, 26. Are we done? Not quite done. Why is that? We want to plug in the 26 right here and see if this works out. So negative 2 times the square root of 26 minus 1 plus 1, is that equal to negative 9? That's the question that we should be asking ourselves. Well, 26 minus 1 is 25. And the root of 25, the square root of 25 is 5. So we have negative 2 times 5 plus 1. Is that equal to negative 9? Yes, because negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 1 is negative 9. That is correct. So this is a valid answer. And why do we need to check like this? Well, because we could have gotten an extraneous solution, and then we would have needed to reject the answer. But that didn't happen in this case, so we're done. And to continue watching more videos, you can visit us on our website and click on Radical Equations. Good luck.